Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, I'm ready when you are, Your Honor.
Okay, one moment, please. Okay, Madam Clerk, ready. Thank you.
Okay, for SP 1917954, counts 1 and 2. First name is spelled N like Nancy, J, A like Apple, C. Last name Tershana. Expired plate civil and no valid registration civil.
Thank you. Is the city placing an appearance here? All right, Attorney Garion.
Yes, good morning, Judge. For the record, Marie Garion, P13853, on behalf of the defendant. I do have authority to proceed on their behalf and would ask you to waive their presence. My client has verification of the plate registration, and the prosecutor, Ms. Horn, has indicated that these violations are being dismissed.
All right, thank you. Attorney Horn.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit. I have reviewed the registration document, which expires March of 2027 for Mr. Tashirna, and the people are moving for dismissal.
All right, thank you. Dismissal is granted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a
Have you
wonderful
guys
day.
spoken to the city attorneys? Have you guys spoken to Attorney Zagrafi? I know she was saying she had to get on a plane, so I just want to make sure somebody has addressed her.
I did, Your Honor. I sent the court a chat. I'm not sure which one it went to, but I mentioned that Attorneys Zagrafi and Weinberg are set for formal hearings. Their clients are Pickford and Pendary. I have not spoken with either Trooper Brown nor Officer Anderson. I advise the attorneys that you may pull them out at 9 o'clock if those officers aren't here at that time.
They were scheduled for 8:30 formals.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I'll go ahead and pull them now. All right, I've got Don. Good morning. Full name, please.
Don Frazard, appearing on behalf of Gary Polakowski.
Thank you. Mr. Polakowski is here, and counsel, I know the officer did check in here too.
Yes, I spoke with Shannon Walker, and the offer was to plead to impeding.
All right, Attorney Horn, can I move forward with that?
Your Honor, yes. What I just received a text from Officer Turner, and he said I'm good with impeding.
All right,
slash blockading. Yeah.
Okay. Let me pull your client out and the officer out so that we can get that done. It's in room 11. And I don't think the officer is in the Zoom, but he came into the courtroom in person. I heard him when he came in.
Right. My client's boarding a plane in Atlanta that it came early.
Oh,
So.
Okay. All right. Well, we can go ahead and call it, and I'll just remove him. Give me 1 second. Could you please call the Pulowski matter?
For Gary James Polakowski Jr., SP 1899338, count 1, disregard red signal.
Thank you, counsel. Appearances, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank you, Attorney Frazard.
Don Frazard, P36743 for the defendant.
Thank you. Noting Mr. Pulowski is present in the Zoom courtroom, but I did see he's on a plane, so if he can't respond, that's no problem. You can waive that, Attorney Frazard, given that this is purely a civil infraction and he is actually here. I understand the offer is to impeding, Attorney Frazard.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are making that admission on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. $175, 60 days to pay or get on a payment plan.
Very good. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Have a great day. Thank you.
You
Mr.
too.
Thank you, Your
Pulaski,
Honor.
have a good day. Safe flight. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go to, can we please pull the Pindari file, please, Madam Clerk, and then the Schramm file?
Okay. For Zena Pendary, SX 4688042, count 1, speeding on the freeway 1 to 5 over.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Zagrafi, Attorney Horn, please unmute it. Attorney Horn, appearance, please.
Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank you. I've not had an attorney check in on this matter. Have you heard from an officer? We're set for formal hearing at 8:30.
On the Pendary matter, Your Honor,
Yes.
no officer has checked in, but Attorney Zagrafi is here on behalf of her client. And I also noted that it was 21 to 25 miles per hour over on the docket sheet, from what I can tell.
All right. Thank you, Attorney Zagrafi.
Maria Zagrafi on behalf of Zina Pinderi, P83994. I have authority to enter into a plea agreement for my client, but I understand the officer has not showed up, Your Honor.
The officer has not appeared. I'm just checking the waiting room to see if I have anybody out there.
And that would be Trooper Brown, Your Honor.
Okay, do not have Trooper Brown. All right, do you have a motion, Attorney Zagrafi? No officer?
Yes, Your Honor, we would be asking for dismissal on this matter.
Dismissal is granted without prejudice due to the officer's failure to appear. Have a safe flight. Everybody's traveling.
Thank you so much, Your
Okay,
Honor.
all right,
Thank you
bye-bye.
so much, Ms. Horney.
You're welcome, Ms.
All right,
Zagrafi.
Madam Clerk, would you call the Schramm matter, please, when you're ready? I'm sorry, Mr. Person Jr., I'll get to you in just one moment. Let me get this Schramm matter done and then we'll get to you.
Okay.
And I think that's the firm that Weinberg works for. His client is Pickford, Your Honor.
Thank you.
That's correct, Judge.
Thank you.
It's
For
Bert
Cameron,
Schramm is the
for Cameron James Pickford, SX 4704522, count 1, speeding on the freeway 25 miles or more over.
Thank you. Attorney Horn?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city.
Scott Weinberg, P45874 on behalf of Mr. Pickford.
Thank you. Who is the officer that we're expecting on this matter?
Anderson, Your Honor.
Thank you. I have not heard or seen Officer Anderson this morning. Have you, Attorney Horn?
I have not.
Thank you. Counsel?
Your Honor, we'll move to dismiss this matter.
All right, thank you. Dismissal is granted without prejudice due to the officer's failure to appear for the formal hearing, which was scheduled for 8:30 this morning. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Person, let's get you your trial date. Madam Clerk, what's our next trial date, please? You know what? I can find that while you are busy entering all this stuff we just did, I'm sure. Go ahead, please.
The trial date is July 15th at 9:30.
Okay, Mr. Person,
Yes,
July
ma'am.
15th, 9:30 a.m. We'll see you back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. All right, now I need Angel Thompson. Good morning. Officer Burley, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here for Paul Petway.
Okay, thanks.
And I got you checked in, officer. I'll wait and see if he checks in. Since they're set for 9:30, it's a little early, but I have your number if you need to bounce around.
Okay. Yeah, I do
Otherwise,
have
I'll
another.
Okay, we've got you checked in then. That's fine. Thanks.
Thank you,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, can we call the Angel Thomas matter?
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Thompson.
For Angel India Thompson, SP 1829927, count 1, City Parks closed, scheduled for review, delayed sentence. Ms. Thompson has complied.
Great. All right, Ms. Thompson, state your name for the record, please.
Angel Thompson.
All right, I hear you've complied with the requirements of your delayed sentence. Congratulations. This will be removed from your record. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Okay.
And
then-
Your Honor,
Mhm.
me and co-counsel, Mr. Rothbart, we're just gonna go check into community court and come back.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, I've got a few people that need to be named. I've got Essence Pitts. All right. Essence Pitts, please unmute.
Yes.
Good morning. All right, Madam Clerk, can you please pull the Essence Pitts file? Is there a plea that's already been entered?
Yes, it was a delayed sentence. I need to pull this back up. It It's a delayed sentence. She has an emergency. She needs extra time. Payment was due on June 17th. But she needs extra time. Oh, I'll call it. I'm sorry. SP 153400051 for Essence Pits.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Pitts, state your name for the record, please.
Essence Pits.
Okay, thank you. I understand that you've had some issues. You need some additional time to pay. How much do you have to pay? Is it $190?
It's a little more than that, I think.
Okay.
My
Madam Clerk,
arm is broke and I have to get surgery. That's why I need more time.
okay, Madam Clerk, can you give me the amount that Ms. Pitts was ordered to pay?
It's $190 for this case.
So here's the thing, Ms. Pitts. You need to, when you're paying your tickets, prioritize this one. I can't keep stretching out a delayed sentence. That's an offer from the prosecutor, not my purview. That's the plea offer you accepted. So what's going to happen is if you keep missing it, it's just going to stay on your criminal record, and you don't want that. I don't want that. Right? All right. So it's $190. I'll extend it out another 60 days.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Okay, Marco Patino, good morning. Again.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, Madam Clerk, Mr. Patino needs a trial date. May I give him the July 15th at 9:30?
Yes.
July 15th, 9:30 a.m. Mr. Patino, we'll see you back here, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, have a great day.
You
Bye.
too. Yes, ma'am.
No, not you on the phone, sir. 6753. If the last four digits are 6753, I need to know your name.
Terry Powell.
Spell the first name, please.
Terry.
Terry, and then Powell.
Yes, ma'am. Powell.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Purvey, good morning to you. Be with you in just a moment. Okay, I've got a Motorola that's not muted. I need you to give me a name, please.
James Tucker.
Thank you. All right. Okay, Mr. Powell, what time were you scheduled for court this morning?
8:30.
Okay.
5.
He's been here, Your Honor. He was in person. We had to wait for Officer Tompkins.
Okay, so Mr. Powell, I'm going to put you in room 11 since you were here early and it's empty. So you'll get seen pretty quickly here. Room 11, go ahead and join, please. All right, then I have James Tucker. Good morning. What time were you scheduled for today?
I was scheduled for 8:30.
Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and put you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. There will be a wait. Please be advised. Be patient. Don't use the help button. We can see you. We know that we know you are there waiting. All right. You are going to go to room.
Room 11. No, it's over the phone. Over the phone. So you got to stay on the phone. Oh, stay on the phone.
Please go ahead and join. Mr. Tucker, please join the breakout room. Ms. Purvey, good morning. What time were you scheduled?
Good morning.
Good morning.
8:45.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Ms. Purvey's going to need an SOS run. All right, I'm going to send you to breakout room, Ms. Purvey. Somebody will be with you shortly.
Okay.
Are you on evens or odds, Attorney Soroki?
Man, odds.
Okay. All right, Ms. Purvey, sending you to breakout room number 21. Please hit join.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. All right. You need us, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, we're ready on Robert Powell at
Okay,
this time.
thank you. All right. I can take care of it unless you just want to do it on the record.
Your Honor, actually, he has valid registration and he renewed his driver's license. So the only ticket that remains is the fail to stop at stop sign,
Yep.
which is limited access 1 to 5.
Okay, your notes are
Okay,
perfect. I
thank
got
you.
all that from your
Great.
notes. Yeah, okay.
Very good.
All right, Madam Clerk, when you're ready, please call the Powell matter.
For Robert Jerome Powell, SP 1907079, counts 1 and 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, driver's license expired. SP 1907008, counts 1, 2, and 3, stop street or intersection, failed to stop, no valid registration, civil, no proof of insurance, civil, and SP 1907086, count 1, expired plate, civil.
Thank you. Mr. Powell, state your name for the record, please.
Robert Powell.
Thank you. All right, I'm told that you've shown valid documentation to defense counsel. We will go ahead and accept those proofs and dismiss the tickets related to those items on the proofs. That leaves you with your civil infraction. I understand that's going to be a reduction to 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point ticket. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me is the truth.
Everything's the truth.
All right, you are admitting that at the time you were ticketed for the offense, you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. $125, 60 days to pay, or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. All right. You must at least get on the payment plan within the 60 days by giving them a down payment. So if you know you're going to need that, see them sooner rather than later, so you know how much of a down payment you need to make. Okay. All right. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye. All right, Attorney Walling.
Yes, I need a couple of checks. Anaya Peoples, can we check her?
She's
license?
valid. Yep. So when Madam Clerk runs them, she'll rename the room. So her new room is renamed valid.
And does Enrique Perez have any civil infractions hanging over his head?
Thank you.
Let's check. Let's do with his file. He has a careless driving in default that's on that misdemeanor ticket, and he also has speeding on the freeway 25 or more over on that same ticket.
Okay.
Attorney Walling, have you spoken with Timothy Tolliver in room 10?
After I heard you yell at him, Your Honor, I've sort of thought I'd let him stew for a while.
He won't stop. But he came in yesterday. He's got something going on with work where he really needs to try to get rid of this. He came in yesterday. He brought a copy of the ticket. I told him that Ms. Horn was going to need to look at it. He's hoping he might be able to work something out. So he might take a little bit more work.
Well, I'll let him stew some more then.
All right. All right. Thanks.
I emailed you the other tickets because I didn't know who was in which room.
It's a disorderly, so it might be one of those that lacks, you know, who knows?
Who knows? Well, is he on today's docket or no?
I don't know if we put him on the docket, but he was told to come in today.
Okay.
So you'll have a copy of the ticket.
I think you sent it to me. God, you're humming with the way to go, Madam Clerk.
I know, right?
She is good.
When you're good, when you're good, you're good.
Yeah.
What more can you say? All right.
All right. All right, Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to call the Patton Webb matter.
Okay, for Christopher Deshawn Patton Webb, SP 1899409, count 1, drive with revoked license.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Patton Webb. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Christopher Deshawn Patton Webb.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to give you a reduction to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with dismissal of the other charge. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear.
All right, thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please, on the ticket?
April 15, 2026, West McNichols and Conant.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Patton Webb, is it true that at that date and location in Detroit, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Your fine is $190, 60 days to get it paid in full, or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. That's how you keep your deal in place, okay?
Thank you for your services.
You are very welcome. Thank you. Don't try to pay anything before tomorrow. We need to make sure the system is updated. Okay.
Understood.
Have a great day.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks. Bye-bye. All right. I got some folks to let in here.
Hi, yes, this is this the
Phone number
judge?
phone number ending in 0097. What is your name?
Darlene Thomas.
Darlene Thomas.
Yes.
Thank you.
Darlene Thomas, I think that was yesterday.
All right.
Yes.
Just a moment, Miss Thomas. Just a moment.
Okay.
Please be quiet for a moment. Let me finish what I'm doing. Phone number ending in 8360. I need a name, please. 8360. What is your name? I'm sorry, that's 3603. Where did I get that? Phone number ending in 3603. What is your name?
Where's my phone?
All
That's
right.
me, Timothy Tolliver. Timothy Tolliver.
Mr.
Hello?
Tolliver, I don't know what I'm
Yes,
gonna do
ma'am.
with you today. I mean,
I'm
you
not
have
trying. I'm not
managed to
trying to be
disrupt my court
disrespectful, ma'am.
proceedings 4 times this morning. I keep asking you to wait. What is the problem?
No, I have a question. I just have a question, Your Honor. I'm not trying to be disrespectful,
Mr.
disrupt your
Tolliver, but
courtroom.
you
I
are
just don't
being
understand what's going on.
disrespectful because you keep asking me questions and I keep telling you need to speak with the attorney. The attorney is fully aware of your matter, has a copy of
I
the ticket in
understand,
hand.
ma'am. Right, I understand. I just have a quick question. Because I might not need to speak to the attorney if I answer this question. So my question is about the delay sentencing. If I was to
Mr.
take the delay
Tolliver,
sentencing, how
there
long would
is
it be?
no offer to a delayed sentence at this time. You need to
Okay.
wait. When you came in
Okay.
yesterday, I did you the
Right.
courtesy of putting you on today because you told me you had an urgent matter. But it was
Okay.
determined after discussion that you needed to speak with an attorney who would then need to
Okay,
speak
I got
with
you.
the city attorney.
Okay,
I
yes,
told you
ma'am.
what the
I got
possibilities
you.
were in terms of their normal offers. I did not tell
Okay.
you that that was the offer in your case. You
I
need to
got you.
wait
I
in
just
your
don't
breakout
understand.
room to speak with the
Okay.
attorney who is being assigned to your matter today. Please
Okay, yeah, this
wait.
is my second time
Please
dealing
stop.
with this. I just didn't
Mr.
know.
Tolliver, you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
used the help button repeatedly, disrupting my proceedings, which I've asked you not to do. And now, because I didn't respond to that and told you to stop doing that, you simply logged in on a different device to go around and disrupt my proceedings again.
No, ma'am, I'm just trying to understand what's going on. This
Mr.
is my second
Tolliver,
time
the
dealing with this,
attorney will
ma'am.
meet with you and will help you understand what is going on. You need to wait in the breakout room for them. If you do
Okay,
this
no
again,
problem.
I'm going to place your case back on its regular place in my docket, which puts you out for a couple of weeks. Please
Yes,
stop
ma'am.
disrupting my proceedings. Do not bother me again until you have spoken with the attorney. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just trying to understand. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir, in the black t-shirt. I know you were here before. Give me your name again.
Last name is T. It kicked me out of the breakout room.
T. Okay, yeah. And what was the first name again?
Sean Derrick, SEANDERRICK.
Okay. Do you remember which breakout room you were in?
19.
I'll try to get you back there. And hopefully they haven't missed it. Let's see. 19. Yep, you're still good in 19. Okay. I'm trying to see where the attorney is right now. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna move you back to 19.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Uh-huh. All right, can we call the Anaya Peoples matter, please, Madam Clerk?
Okay, for Anaya Peoples, am I muted? No. Anaya Peoples, SP 1897584, count 1, drove while license not valid for improper license.
Thank you. Ms. Peoples, go ahead and unmute. Please state your name for the record.
Anaya Peoples.
Thank you. Good job getting your license back in order. Council has made a motion for me to dismiss your ticket on that basis. I'm going to grant that motion. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. You too.
You are welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Marks is here for Randy.
All right. We'll be with you in a moment, Mr. Powell.
Yes,
Officer
ma'am.
Corporal Starks, good morning. I'm going to place you in breakout room number 1, Corporal Starks, so you can meet with the city attorney.
Yes.
That's room 1. Thank you. All right. Jerome Tyson, good morning. Please unmute. What time were you scheduled this morning, Mr. Tyson?
9:15.
All right. Thank you. That would mean that you should have appointed counsel. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, somebody was supposed to reach out to me. Nobody ever reached out.
All right. Thank you. Madam Clerk, can we do a check just to see if anyone has been appointed?
Yep. I have to log in. Request has been made.
Madam Clerk, would you please, if you have a copy of Timothy Tolliver's ticket, would you send that to me too, please? Would you please, Attorney Walling, after you're done with this one, just go say hi to Mr. Tolliver, because if you don't, we're gonna have, I'm gonna do something crazy. He is driving me crazy. He's just repeatedly asking for help. I just want him to know that you're here. You've got his ticket. You're working on the matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Because he won't stop disrupting court. Thank you.
That was crazy. It's like,
All right. Just a minute, guys. Attorney, I pulled you out. Okay. We seeing anything about Jerome Tyson, Madam Clerk?
I don't see anything. I can call and find out if someone was assigned. I don't see any update in the system, but I do see the request was submitted.
All right, we need to maybe a spot appointment so that we can get somebody in here to meet with Mr. Tyson. All right, Mr. Tyson, I'm going to place you in room number 3. Please go ahead and join.
Yeah.
Somebody will be with you shortly. All right, now, Darlene Thomas, you said you thought she was on yesterday, Madam Clerk?
Yeah, because I remember stamping up warrants to put on her.
All right, Ms. Thomas, so you missed court yesterday.
Yes, that was a mistake. I thought it was today, and I looked at the calendar, and I think that it was yesterday.
All right. So what we're going to have to do, because your file's been sent back downstairs and warrants were issued, I'm going to go ahead and recall the warrants because you came today, and then you're going to get a date to come back, and you need to make sure that you're here on that day.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Madam Clerk, can you let Ms. Thomas know a date and time to come back, please?
Let's put a warrant on.
Hold on, Ms. Thomas.
Okay.
All right. Juanita Parks, good morning. Please unmute. Juanita Parks.
Attorney Ed Taylor was assigned. I'll give him a call.
Thank you.
Let me get Darlene.
I'll be right with you, Ms. Parks. One moment.
yes, I'm here.
I hear you, Ms. Parks. I just need a moment. One moment.
Okay.
Okay, Darlene Thomas, we're giving her another court date. What date is it?
I just need you to tell me date and time for Ms. Thomas.
We can do next Wednesday at 8:30.
Okay, what's the date?
July 1st at 8:30.
All right, Ms. Thomas, July 1st, 8:30 a.m. Got it?
Thank you.
Set an alarm in your phone. Do something. I don't want to have warrants out there for you. July 1st,
Okay.
8:30. All right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Juanita Parks, what time were you scheduled for today?
9:30.
Okay, thank you. That would tell me you're here for trial. And who's our officer on Turner? I believe the officer just checked in on this case, actually, Ms. Turner. All right, you also have Attorney Taylor.
Yes.
Okay. Madam Clerk, we're gonna need an SOS on Ms. Parks.
Is this Connolly Juanita Parks?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to put you in breakout room number 4. Please go ahead and join. Mr. Taylor will be here shortly and we'll come and see you. Thank you. Officer is here. All right, then I have Zoom user glasses. Good morning. You're not muted. What's your name?
Brandy Turner.
Okay. And what time are you scheduled for?
9:30 as well.
Okay. Okay. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
I spoke with him briefly yesterday.
Is that Mr. Taylor?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Madam Clerk, I need to make sure I'm not mixing up my Turners. So let's get Brandy Turner, you're going to go to room 5. Go ahead and hit join, please.
Okay.
Okay. Madam Clerk, can you help me for just a minute?
Corporal Starks is here for Brandy Turner.
Okay, thank you. So I need to change. Okay, he's here for Brandy Turner. Brandy Turner. Okay, trial officer here. Okay.
For Juanita Parks, we haven't seen Officer Nelson yet, and I don't think Ed Taylor is assigned to her. I don't see a record of that.
You said which officer was it? I'm sorry.
For Juanita Parks and number 4.
Yes.
That's Officer Nelson.
Oh, okay. You know, he used to always come and I haven't seen him in a while. All right.
I don't remember seeing him.
What time is he scheduled for? 9:30?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. Officer Griffin, I'm sorry, McNeese, please unmute. Which case are you here on, please?
Trenyon Page.
All right, I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1 to see the city attorney.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and join room 1, please. All right. Madam Clerk, when you are ready, could you please pull the Romero Turner file and the Terry Powell file? Let me know when you're ready on those.
Okay, I'm ready on Terry Powell.
All right, go ahead and call the matter, please.
Okay, for Terry Anthony Powell, SP 1394170, counts 1, 2, and 3, and all other misdemeanors scheduled for today's docket.
Madam Clerk, I'm sorry. Someone used the help button, got me stuck in a breakout room. I need you to recall the case, please.
Okay, no. SP 1394170, counts 1, 2, and 3 for Terry Anthony Powell and all other misdemeanors scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Terry Powell, please state your name for the record.
Terry Powell.
Thank you. One moment, please. To all citizens present for court, you have been asked not to use the help button as it disrupts my court proceedings. If you continue to use the help button, you will be placed at the end of the line and seen last. If you have a life-threatening emergency for which you need to leave court, return to the main courtroom and let me know. Please stop using the help button. Mr. Powell, once again, please state your name for the record.
Terry Powell.
I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a license, 2 counts of improper plates, and 1 count of open alcohol passenger area. Is that all consistent with your understanding? Everything else would be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have I've got 1 FTD, 2 improper plates, if we can get them on the same ticket.
I can get 1 FTD, 1 improper plate, and the open alcohol on 1 ticket.
All right, thank you. May I have a date and location there, please?
October 4th, 2022, West McNichols and Patton.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a
Yes,
vehicle
ma'am.
and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that you possessed open alcohol in the passenger area of the vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. That leaves me with 1 more improper plate, please.
Yes, ma'am.
For improper plates, we have July 3rd.
Have a great day.
2018 at Plymouth and Hubble.
Thank you. Mr. Powell, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, sir. On both of your improper plates, the fine is $190. The other ones I can take down to $100 because they're on the same ticket. So you have 2 fines of $190, 2 fines of $100. I'll give you 90 days in which you must do one of 2 things to keep your deal in place. Pay your tickets in full or see the cashiers on the 1st floor of the courthouse here on Madison for a longer term payment plan. They will want a down payment from you and you must give them that down payment within the next 90 days to keep your deal. Okay?
Ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Officer Ratliff, I need to know the first name on the Turner that you're here on, please. Attorney Taylor, good morning. You have a
Brandy,
couple of
Brandy,
clients
ma'am.
here.
Yes,
Brandy
Your Honor.
Turner?
Good morning. That's me,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor. Brandy
Thank
Turner.
you.
That's one of mine. I need to
Okay.
talk to the people about that.
All right. You said you've already spoken to the people?
I have not. I just got on you and I was somewhere else. I got 4 cases, but yeah.
Okay. Officer Ratliff, room 1, please, to see the city attorney. Attorney Taylor, you now have co-host. I know that you have Jerome Tyson in room 3 and Brandy Turner in room 5. We're
And I
not
have-
clear about whether or not you have Juanita Parks in room 4.
No, I have Trayvon Page and Marquise Thorns.
Okay,
Those-
they have not checked in this morning yet. So
Okay.
if you have a way to reach them, please do.
Okay,
All right.
may I speak to the people, please?
Sure. You have co-host. I'll put you in room 2 and they'll come in there and talk to you as soon as they can.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. All right. On the TCL device that was just admitted without a name, please unmute. I need a name. Please unmute and give me a name on the TCL.
Romero Turner.
It's not you, Mr. Turner. I have a
Oh.
TCL device that was just admitted. What is your name?
Paul Petway.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court, Mr. Petway?
A few weeks ago, my last court day.
Okay. All right, the officer is here in your matter. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. An attorney will be there to see you shortly. You're going to room 6. Please hit join. Mr. Petway, go to room 6. Thank you. All right, Attorney Horn, good morning again. Attorney Horn, I just gave you co-host.
Okay, good morning, Your Honor. Thanks.
Good morning. Would you, Ed Taylor is waiting for you in room 2. Would you just let him know Trinian Page is now here and I'm going to go ahead and get him into a breakout room 2.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks so much. Mr. Page, I'm placing you in a breakout room. You are going to room 7. Hit join, please.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, when you're ready, would you please get ready to call the Romero Turner matter?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, ready when you are.
Romero Javon Turner, SB 1906185, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor, drive while license suspended, and SB 1875073, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Romero Turner, please start your camera. State your name for the record. Romero Turner.
Romero Turner.
Thank you. Please start your camera. Thank you. Mr. Turner, I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the failure to display, please?
April 28th, 2026, East Boston Boulevard and Brush Street.
Mr. Turner, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. If you know you're going to need a payment plan, you should see them sooner rather than later because you may have other tickets that are old that we don't know about today. All right?
It's at 36 District, right?
Yep, 36 District Court on Madison. Cashiers are on the first floor. Get one of those 2 things done in the 60 days. Pay it in full or start your payment plan.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
Attorney Soroki? Ms. Purvey, I see you're back out of the breakout room. How may I help you?
It had me leave. It said you now leave, but
I can't hear you. I'm going to stop your camera and see if that helps. All right, Ms. Purvey, you said someone told you to leave the breakout room,
on the phone it said you're now leaving the breakout room.
but you don't know why?
No,
You didn't push a button?
no,
Okay. I don't know why it would have had you leave. Did you speak with an attorney?
no, I haven't.
All right, I'm going to have to put you back in a breakout room to see an attorney, Ms. Purvey. But I mean,
Okay.
here's the thing. You're still in the same breakout room. You left and I'm not sure why. Madam Clerk, what are the charges as to Helene Purvey, please? We can see she has a valid license.
No insurance misdemeanor and drive while license suspended.
Ms. Purvey, did you bring proof of your insurance today? Do you have it with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead and start your camera and you can just hold that up for me for just a second, please. And then, Madam Clerk, if you get ready to call the matters, please.
Yeah.
Okay, I've just asked you to start your video.
I'm trying to hold on.
Okay,
I don't know how to work this.
just hold your insurance paperwork up, please, so that I can see it.
Okay.
I need you to hold it still, please. Thank you. Okay, all right, you can put that down. Thank you very much. Put it down, please. Put it down, please. Put it down, please. Thank you. All right. Madam Clerk, go ahead and call the matter, please.
Helene Nicola Purvey, SP 1912066, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and drive while license suspended.
Thank you, Ms. Purvey. Go ahead and state your name for the record, please.
Helena Purvey.
Thank you. Court having confirmed the validity of your driver's license as well as your current insurance, I'm dismissing the charges today. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well.
Welcome. Bye-bye. Phone number Indian 7026. What is your name, please?
Stephen Trapp.
Okay, Mr. Trapp, I know you were here earlier. You can't answer the phone and do things like that, or it's going to keep kicking you off.
So I never answered the phone. We end up losing signal.
Okay, well, I need you to try to get, stay where you have a signal because we're almost done here and the attorneys are going to miss you. Room 17, please go ahead and hit join.
Excuse me, Your Honor, what room is Mr. Jerome Tyson in?
He's in 3.
3. Okay, thank you.
Madam Clerk, can you check the charges as to Jasmine Price, please?
Okay. Jasmine Price, she has a lot of paper stuff.
Driver's license, registration, insurance?
Yes, driver license suspended, no insurance on registered vehicle.
Okay, can you run the SOS, please?
Yes.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Your Honor?
She went into one of the rooms.
Okay. Well, we're ready on Tyson. We're going to set it. Do you have a bench trial date?
Our bench trial date for Tyson, I'm gonna change it. Are you available July 16 at 9:30?
Yes. Let me see.
Oh, well, I'm available.
Okay.
You just told me I need to report to the front door. You need me.
You got your phone?
Yeah, I got
We shouldn't have, usually if anybody else is coming in person, they would have been here by now.
Right,
Okay.
that's one of the reasons that I started a lot.
Okay.
Madam Clerk?
Yes.
That's a good date for me.
Okay, July 16 at 9:30.
Do we need to put this on the record?
Is that a trial date or just pre-trial?
This is a trial date, Your Honor. This is the pre-trials today.
Okay. All right, thank you, Madam Clerk. Would you call the matter, please? We'll set the bench trial date on the record. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, for Jerome Christopher Tyson, SP 1901444, counts 1 and 2, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Attorney Taylor.
Morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Jerome Tyson. Mr. Tyson, introduce yourself, please.
How you doing, Your Honor? My name is Jerome Tyson.
Good morning, Mr. Tyson. Okay, Attorney Taylor, I understand you and Madam Clerk came up with a bench trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what was that? July the 15th?
July the 15th at 9:30. I believe, is that right, Madam Clerk?
No, we're gonna put, he has a number of cases and we need to spread them because of the other dates we've already used. So we're gonna schedule this one for July 16 at 9:30.
Okay,
July 16th,
Yes.
16th. Okay, got it. Okay.
All right, Mr. Tyson, July 16th, 9:30 a.m. Please zoom back in, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Officer Nelson, good morning to you. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
Very well, thank you. I'm here on Parks.
Okay.
First initial C.
Yep, she is checked in.
All right, excellent.
I'll get you into room 1. City Attorney is with us right now, so she'll come see you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. On Paul Petway, Madam Clerk, do we have appointed counsel there?
I don't think everyone.
I have that it's Attorney Taylor. I don't know if these are
Yeah.
old cases. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I think he did say he had Petway. Clear room 3. Right, ready on Stephen Trapp. You can go ahead and pull that file. All right, Mr. Trapp, good morning again. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready.
Good morning.
Okay. For Stephen Jasmine Trapp, SP 1849793, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and 26773-594, count 1, unregistered motor vehicle.
Thank you. Mr. Trapp, please state your name for the record.
Stephen Trapp.
Thank you. All right, the council has reviewed your valid documentation, made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your motion is dismissed. Your tickets are dismissed. The motion is granted. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The officer is here on Petway, right? Did we have an officer check in? No.
I think, let me check.
No. I don't know.
Officer Burley was here.
Burley, yep, he left. Okay, thank you. I noted officer here next to his name, so I was getting confused. All right, Parks, Juanita Parks is going to be next. That's going to be a dismissal. Go ahead and pull that one. Ms. Parks, good morning. I'll be right with you. One moment, please.
Okay.
All right, Officer Nelson, good morning again to you. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Parks matter?
Okay, Juanita Parks Connolly, SP 1894096, counts 1 and 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you, Ms. Parks. Please state your name for the record.
Juanita Parks Connolly.
Thank you. Officer Nelson, please unmute. State your name for the record.
Officer Nelson, badge 3664, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. I understand the city is dismissing these tickets.
Yes, that is my understanding.
All right, thank you. Ms. Parks, I'm going to go ahead and grant the city's motion to dismiss. Have a good day. Your tickets are dismissed. Thank you, Officer Nelson, for your appearance today.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Good one.
Thanks. Bye-bye. All right, Corporal Starks, we're ready on your matter?
Yes.
Okay, and yours is it, I have two Turners here for trial. Is yours Brandy?
Brandy Turner, yes.
Thank you. All right, I've got Attorney Taylor here. Did you make an offer on that matter?
Yes, we did.
Okay, and do you know what the offer was?
Dismiss. I have no memory.
Thank you. Okay. All right, bringing Ms. Turner out. Thank you.
Well, she had another officer that showed up.
Oh, okay. All right, that might be why they're not ready then. Okay, so Starks, your matters are dismissed with Ms. Turner. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If you don't want to stay, you don't have to. I'm not ready to call it yet because she has some other matters. So
Okay.
hang out
Thank
if you
you.
want to be with us, but if you don't, you got other things to do. I understand.
All right. Y'all have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Okay, Ms. Turner, so that's Corporal Starks. He's dismissing the tickets that he issued for you, but I'm waiting to see what's happening with your other ones. I need Attorney Taylor for that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and move you back to your breakout room. I'm going to have to move you twice, so please watch your device. I'm going to move you to room 3 and then back to 5.
Okay.
So go to 3 and then you're going to move again. Who was the other officer that showed up on Brandy Turner?
Radcliffe. So she had 2 officers that did not appear.
Okay.
She had 2 officers that did appear. Starks is dismissing his for no recollection. That's from 2020. The most recent ticket is the one from Ratliff. That's from April 2026.
Okay, so they're just dealing with Ratliff's tickets now. Okay, thank you.
And who else was I looking at? Oh, DeMarco. I sent the thing.
Did Soroki need something for you on from you on DeMarco Thomas?
Well, I don't know. I sent him an email letting him know he had an in the park after dark case and warrant status. And then he also has an improper turn and default.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him out, make sure he knows that, so we're not wasting the time with him. Hey, Attorney Soroki, he's got a default and a warrant that we wanted to make sure you were aware of. Madam Clerk said she sent you an email about it.
And who's that?
On
The,
DeMarco Thomas, who you were just in with.
right. Okay, so he has,
He has what was it, Madam Clerk? The civil default was improper left?
Improper turn. And then in warrant status, he has the
In the park
city
after
parks
dawn.
closed.
City Park closed? Okay.
Yes.
Closed park, okay.
Keep
All right. Warrant. Okay, I'll talk to the prosecutor, see what we can do. I see you emailed me Timothy Talver.
While he's
Oh,
dealing with him.
I at the time I didn't know who had him. I wasn't looking.
No
I was just
problem.
trying to get the email out, and I just sent
Nope.
it to both.
Okay, no problem. I was just checking to see if you needed me to take care of it. Okay. Thank
Attorney
you.
Wallace on it. Thank you.
You ready on Trinion Page?
No, I need to talk to Mr. Thorne. Is he in?
Mr. Who?
Thorne, Thorn.
I don't know who that is.
Marquise Thorns.
Is that a client? I don't know who that is.
Yes, it's one of the clients.
Okay,
Marquise
I
Thorns.
don't have that person checked in at all.
Oh, okay, yeah, and she hadn't let me know what's going on with your Traveling Page yet. So I need to talk to Mr.
Your
Thorne.
offer on Trinion Page is to a 3-month delay on count 1. Looks like dismissal.
Okay, let me talk to him. Where is he?
Okay. He's in room 7. 3-month delay on
Okay,
count 1. Trinion Page.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, he doesn't want that deal, so I need to talk to her again. Thank you.
Okay. She's in room 2 right now.
Okay. All right.
All right, I'm here. Okay, Madam Clerk, looks like we're ready on DeMarco Thomas whenever you are, please.
Okay. For DeMarco, is it Jolly Thomas?
Jolie,
SP
yes.
Thomas, SP 1904599, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, improper term, being taken out default, and SP 1776867, count 1, city parks closed, warrant being set aside.
Thank you. We need motions for those things
Yes.
before they're done. So, Attorney Soroki, your appearance, please.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
DeMarco Jolie Thomas.
Thank you. And your motions as to the default and warrant, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, defense moves to set aside the warrant in this matter and also set aside the default in this matter.
All right, thank you. Those motions are granted. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor. Defendant waives formal reading, stands mute as to any charges.
All right, thank you. Court notes, will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf at this time.
And defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution, which is as to the being in a park after closed hours, defendant will plead guilty with a 3-month delayed sentence, and the remaining 2 matters will be dismissed.
Thank you. Mr. Thomas, is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you are going to tell me today is the truth.
It's the truth.
Thank you. Counsel, may I have a date, Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
Yes, August 17th, 2025, Mount Elliott and White Street.
Mr. Thomas, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 90 days to get it paid. Counsel, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. So 90 days to either get it paid or to, well, you have to get it paid in 90 days because this is a delayed sentence. All right, please don't come back here in 90 days and ask me for another 90 days. The city attorney controls the delayed sentence offer. I need you to get it paid. If you don't get it paid, or if you get another similar ticket, which could also deprive you of your delayed sentence, then you've got to come back and see me on September the 21st, all right, at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay.
As long as it gets paid and I don't see any other tickets, I'll just pull it up on September 21st and dismiss it from your record.
Okay, that's cool. And I
All
can
right.
just go pay it online.
You can, but don't try to pay before tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, Attorney Soroki, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. It was a good day, and everyone have an enjoyable day. Thank
You.
you.
Got anything to send to Madam Clerk in terms of dates?
I emailed her the
Great.
dates, so
Okay.
2 defendants.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
See you.
All right, I guess Attorney Taylor's trying to get his worked out. There he is. Hey, Attorney Taylor.
Yes, I'd like to have Brandon Turner out. Brandy Turner. We're going to dismiss all the cases except the accident. We want to adjourn that because we want to do further investigations on that. But the other,
Is that one
I think
of
it's five,
Officer Ratliff's tickets?
I believe so, Your Honor. I'm not certain about that. Brandon
Okay.
Turner.
Well, we need to just make sure because we have 4 officers that were expected. 2 didn't appear. Officer Starks wanted to dismiss all of his on lack of recollection. So I just
Right.
want to make sure that the ticket that we're talking about adjourning is actually it's actually Ratliff's ticket. So let me just take a look at the
Okay.
docket sheet.
This is the one about the accident, Your Honor.
I understand. Okay. Let me just take a quick look. Madam Clerk, can you please pull, because I'm not going to be able to see it from the docket sheet because Attorney Taylor is assigned. Can you pull Officer Ratliff's ticket and make sure that that is the one related to the accident?
Yes, there's 3 counts on that ticket. Give false information regarding an accident, driver's license never acquired, and no insurance misdemeanor.
All right. So those are all Officer Ratliff's tickets. He did appear. So those are the ones that we're adjourning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Madam Clerk, would you please go ahead and call the Brandy Turner matters?
Okay, for Brandy Gian Turner, SP 1881467 counts 1, 2, and 3. Give false information regarding accident, driver's license never acquired, no insurance misdemeanor. 1261509 count 1, driving while license not valid. SP 739538 count 1, drove while license not valid. And SP 1124049 counts 1, 2, and 3, failed to display a valid operator's license, no insurance misdemeanor, and drive unregistered or untitled vehicle.
Thank you. Attorney Taylor, your appearance, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Ms. Turner. Ms. Turner, would you introduce yourself, please?
Hello, my name is Brandy Turner.
Thank you, Ms. Turner. Nice to meet you.
Your
All right.
Honor, the case with the accident, we want to set that for a bench trial. The rest of the matters should be dismissed, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. As to Officer Ratliff's tickets, Officer Ratliff did appear. There are 3 counts on that ticket. Those tickets will be adjourned. Is there a date that you're thinking of? Has discovery been requested?
I did it today, Your Honor. Could we do July the 16th? Because I got to be down there anyway.
That works for me if it gives us enough time. I think it gives us just enough time. All right. And you are setting this for a
Bench trial, Your Honor.
all right, Madam Clerk, July 16th, Madam Clerk, 9:30 a.m. for bench trial for Ms. Turner on Officer Ratliff's tickets. Now, as to those tickets issued by Officer Starks, Officer Starks did appear, stated that he had no recollection of the events. Do you have a motion, Attorney Taylor?
We move those cases be dismissed, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Officer Stark's tickets will be dismissed with prejudice as they are based on his inability to recall the events, which is not likely to change. Then we have two officers that did not appear who were subpoenaed for trial today. Do you have a motion as to those?
I move for those cases to be dismissed also, Your Honor.
All right, those tickets will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Turner, what that means when they dismiss without prejudice is that the officers could ask to refile them at a later date. If they do so, you come back and see me again on those, okay? All right, so now we're just dealing with the 3 counts that Officer Ratliff issued, and we will hear those for bench trial July the 16th, 9:30 a.m.
Okay. I'll be in touch, Ms. Turner. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Take
Thank
care.
you.
All right.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can we do a Paul Petway?
Yep.
He's going to open alcohol and blockading.
All right, let's get Mr. Petway
Passenger,
out here. Okay. And then you're still working on Trinian Page.
I am, Your Honor. I think we're gonna probably have to set this for the trial because I got some extenuating circumstances I didn't know, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
But
It was set for trial today.
yes, Your Honor, but it's some matters that I didn't know. But me and Ms. Horn are still in discussion on that. Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, would you call the Paul Petway matter when you're ready, please?
Yes, Paul Lamont Petway, SP 1886718, counts 1, 2, and 3. No insurance misdemeanor, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and disregard red signal.
Thank you. Attorney Taylor.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Petway. Mr. Petway, would you introduce yourself, please?
Mr. Petway, please unmute. State your name for the record.
My name is Paul Petway.
Thank you. Attorney Taylor.
Up of the people's offer, Your Honor, it's going to be 1 count of open alcohol passenger, and the other ticket is going to be reduced to blockading. Everything else should be dismissed, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr.
Your
Petway.
Honor, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that, the beginning.
Okay, Attorney Taylor, would you just repeat the resolution?
Yes. Open alcohol passenger, and disregarding a signal will be reduced to blockading.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Petway, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. May I have a date and location on the open alcohol, please? You can put your hand down, Mr. Petway.
March 23rd, 2026, West 7 Mile and Pontchartrain.
Mr. Petway, is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you possessed an open container of alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle that was on a public roadway?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Counsel satisfied as to the factual basis?
I am, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it the same date and location for the blockading, Madam Clerk?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Petway, you are also admitting that at that date and location, you disregarded a traffic signal, which we are reducing to blockading traffic?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, you saved yourself some points there. We've got 190 on the open alcohol, 175 on the blockading, okay? I'm going to give you 90 days to get these paid in full, or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. You must do one of those two things to keep this deal in place. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a great day, Mr. Petway.
You as well.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Did Mr. Page ever check in, Your Honor?
Yeah, that's why I was telling you he's in room 7. I thought you talked to him.
Is that
That
the
was
one?
that was the one where she was offering the 3-month
Oh
delay.
yeah,
on
okay.
that one.
Okay, I need Marquise Thorns then.
Mr.
he
Thorne
never
said
He never checked in?
no.
Oh my God. Okay. So I think, okay, I need to go back and talk to her about this page then. Okay, thank you.
Okay, do you have contact information for Mr. Thorne?
Yeah, I do. I'll give him a call, Your Honor. All
Okay.
right. I'll let
Page
you
is
know.
our last. We have 2 cases left, so if he's coming, he needs to get here.
Okay, I'll give him a call, Your Honor. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Judge.
Okay, I think Attorney Taylor is trying to deal with Trinian Page.
Right.
He's telling me that I think he's saying that he may want to set it for trial, but it's set for trial today. So I'm a little bit confused about what's going on there. I'll wait for him to come back out, but
I know he's got Oakland County's today, Mr. Taylor, and the officer is in training. So either way, I'm just throwing that out there. I'll defer to the court on. I know how you believe, like it's set for trial, be ready for trial. So I'm just setting that out there. What's
okay.
going on?
Is this Officer Burley? He's the one that checked in earlier. And
Did he come back?
Trinian Page, no.
No, that's Officer. I believe it's McNeese. Is it McNeese? Let me make sure before I misspeak, Your Honor.
I know the officer was here. I marked him here, but I just don't remember who it was.
Yeah,
Yeah, McNeese. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because you made him an offer of a 3-month delay. I don't know. I'm not sure where Attorney Taylor went.
Yeah, he's been.
He was going to try. Yeah, he said he's juggling a lot today. He was going
Yeah.
to try to reach out to Thorne, who's his other client as well.
Right.
And I don't know.
And Thorne, I'm trying to think.
I'm trying to see what Thorne was scheduled for today.
trial.
He's scheduled for trial too. Okay.
I just sent a message to the prosecutor.
So on Page, Madam Clerk,
Yes,
do you see where's Page on the docket today?
9:30.
Maybe I'm on the wrong day. Yep, that's yesterday. There we go. No, that's not it either. What's going on here?
And who's Grulon is for? Is that for Brandy Taylor?
For Thorns.
Where? Let me see. I'm looking for Thorne on the docket.
So am I. Just because I want to make sure if we lose you that I have an offer if you're making one.
Oh, it's the pretrial, 9:15.
Thorne is a pretrial. Okay, that's fine then. Then that can be adjourned if we need to do that.
Yes, I haven't spoken to the officer for pretrial, Madam Clerk, but the offer is failure to display. And on the firearm civil, the people are moving to amend, if it's not already written as charged, to 28.425F4, where it's the $100 fine.
$100 fine. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, I thought it was trial. Attorney Taylor had so many. I just.
He's got me confused in there. He's like, nah, did we talk about?
I love them all together. I'm sorry. That's my fault.
No, I would have too, because you usually want to set appointed counsel for same day.
I don't know. I don't even know what's going on because Attorney Taylor must have logged off and I don't understand what he's doing with his last case. All right, so you talked with Walling about Timothy Tolliver, I take it. That's the young man that came in yesterday. And
Okay.
we had him send a copy of the ticket. He's got something going on with work and he was trying to get it done as quick. I don't know what you guys are doing, but just refreshing your recollection that he's the one that came in person yesterday.
Excuse me. Thank you, Judge.
Asked us if we could hear it. All right. He's been in with Walling quite a while.
Yeah, I'm hearing this.
Yeah, he's not a bad guy. He just has trouble. Just focus, pay attention.
I mean, and that happens, that happens.
Yeah. Well, especially because this moves fast and it's new to people, but I think people have trouble understanding. I can't hear everything. Some things only your lawyer should hear. So stop talking, please.
Yep. Yeah, for sure.
All right. Okay. Well, just waiting. I'm really confused about what's going on with Trinian Page, though.
Yeah. I'll let Mr. Taylor.
Madam Clerk, would you call Attorney Taylor? Let him know that, we can set Thorne out. It was just set for pretrial. We'll just give him a new date, but I need to know what's going on with Mr. Page.
Okay.
Now, maybe he logged off because he's in court in Oakland. I don't know.
Okay. He's back in. I just found his number and he's back.
Okay, Attorney Taylor, did you speak with Thorns?
Yes, Your Honor. He should be setting up. He's going to plead a failure to display and F4 on the CPL.
Okay, all right. So as soon as he gets here, and then I have Attorney Horn here with us. So help me understand what's going on with Trinian Page because it's set for trial today. Officer did appear. What's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. There was open alcohol in the car. There's 4 people there. He said the alcohol didn't belong to him. They gave all of them tickets. So he's objecting to him having a ticket because it was not his alcohol, Your Honor.
All right. So that
And,
sounds.
And the people are moving to dismiss that one, including the transport of marijuana. It's just to disregard officer's order for the 3-month delayed sentence. That's the offer.
Okay. All right.
I'll go back and tell him as soon as we get Mr. What you call him? What's his name? Mr. Page, I think.
So that's Page. That was Mr. Page. That
Okay,
we were just
Mr. Thorne. Yes, he should be logging on promptly. I just spoke with him.
And Mr. Taylor, I'm acknowledging what you've got going on too. I've discussed it with the court. I know Judge will make her decision because Page is set for trial, but I know you're busy in Oakland County in it, and then McNeese, the officer, has training. Okay. So that's where we're at. I'm just laying it all out there.
Okay. Well, there's no objection that we can adjourn this. That would be good.
I would stipulate to it if the judge will honor that. I will stipulate to that.
Okay, guys. So I'll grant the adjournment. Now the question is for how long? I don't like these things lingering because then that gets me very interested in what I'm doing over here. So, we need to deal with Mr. Page. It sounds like you're going to maybe have some witnesses that need to be called, Attorney Taylor, that need to be investigated.
Yes,
all right.
yeah.
So how quickly can we get this done?
I think whatever Madam Prosecutor says is good with me. Can you do it by the 16th, Ms. Horn?
Oh yeah, absolutely. And then what I'll do is for purposes of getting notice to the officer, I'll make sure I send that out to him today and give him a call. Give him an update on what's happening.
Okay.
All right. So we'll do July 16th. Let me see if I can get Mr. Page out here.
Yes.
So we'll do July 16th since you're already with us on that date.
Yes. This has been the most interesting morning.
I could tell. That's why I was like,
Yeah, I do not miss that. Sato, we covered the whole state. I'd be running all over Michigan.
No.
All
So
right.
it trot was the same for me. I'd never since worked somewhere where it was multi-jurisdictional.
Yeah. All right, give me 1 second. Let me see if I get Mr. Page.
Your I'm here.
Clerk, would you please call the Trinian Page matter? Mr. Page, I understand as your attorney that you've got a couple of witnesses that you might need to call, so we're going to adjourn your trial date. Going to get that on the record now. In the future, you're going to need to make sure that your camera is clear. There we go. You're finally coming into view. Otherwise, I'm just kind of staring into a dark space. Okay, I need light and all that. Madam Clerk, go ahead and call the Trinian Page matter, please.
For Trinian Ramel Page, SP 1885781, counts 1, 2, and 3, disobey lawful order of a police officer, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, improper transportation of usable marijuana.
Thank you. All right.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Trayvon Page. Mr. Page, would you introduce yourself, please?
Trinian Page.
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Page, and I got some extenuating information, so that's why I need to get this adjourned and do further investigation on this matter, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Attorney Horn, your
And
appearance.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303. I've also spoken with Officer McNeese, and he is in a training this morning, so I thought it would be a little hard for us to have a fully concentrated trial.
All right. Well, it sounds like there are issues on both sides
Yes.
necessitating an adjournment. So we'll go ahead and adjourn Attorney Taylor to the next date that you're going to be with us, which is July the 16th at 9:30 a.m., Mr. Page.
Okay, July 16, 9:30.
And I'll be in touch, Mr. Page. We got to chat. Okay. All right.
No problem.
All right.
Okay. Yep.
Have a good day. So now we're still left with Mr. Thorne, who is yet to
You
log
say,
in.
excuse me, it was July 16th?
16th,
Yes.
1/6
All
at
right, thank
9:30,
you.
okay?
All right.
No further adjournments. All right.
Your Honor, let me call him one more time. I just talked to that guy. He's in Saginaw. All right. I'll call him right back.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Attorney Taylor?
So I talked to him. He says he's going to get on, Your Honor.
I mean, I'm not going to hold court open just for him. There's one more person left, and if he's not here.
I understand, Your Honor. I talked to him. He says he got it, though.
Okay. All right, thank you. Madam Clerk says she did run the SOS on Marquise Thorns and he does have a valid license, Attorney Horn. I know that Attorney Taylor said he was pleading to a failure to display and the firearm reduction. I just want to make sure that that's not changing your offer.
Yeah, what happened, Your Honor? He said the officer didn't give him a chance to show all his information. It was in the back of the seat.
Okay.
He had the CPL the whole nine.
So I don't know if you want to, did you know that he had a valid license when
Yes,
you
he had a valid license, Your Honor. He never got a chance to
show
show
it?
them.
Okay.
So I mean, if it's going to be dismissed, I'll waive his appearance.
Well, he's still got his gun issue. So that's what I'm saying. You and Ms. Horn need to talk if that's,
Yeah,
if you want to.
he has a valid CPL, Your Honor. He just didn't show it at the time. He said the officer didn't give him an opportunity to get it. It was in the back seat.
Okay, I got it, but
Okay.
that's a Ms. Horn. That's
Very
an
well.
Attorney
All
Horn
right.
conversation. Attorney Horn, are you still with us? Or Attorney Rothbard?
Yeah, I'll go back and see if she's there. Well, I don't have co-host now.
Oh, here, I'll give you co-host, but she looks to be sitting here. Okay, guys, you guys can go into room 2 if you want. I'll let you guys go to room 2 regarding Thorn.
And Your Honor, I have a case. I spoke to Madam Clerk about it. It's not, let's see, it's not set until the 7th for trial. The people would like to dismiss it because the officer is unavailable.
Which one is that?
It's not set for today. It's set for 7/7. I got an email from my supervisor. It's a 2023 driver while license suspended. And the sergeant asked if we could dismiss it.
I keep missing the name. I'm sorry. Every time you say it, I'm missing it.
It's Townsville, but it's not on the docket for today.
Okay, but I'm assuming you want us to go in and dismiss it. So
Oh, yes,
okay.
thank you. Yep, yes.
COWNSEL.
Yes, Your Honor. I do have a case number.
Okay, great. What's that case number?
SP 149-176-51.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Hello,
Judge.
Mr. Thorns. And then I think Attorney Taylor is waiting to see about Thorns in room 2. Mr. Thorns?
How you doing, man? I
Oh, I'm good.
apologize.
Yeah, I mean,
for my
listen,
attorney.
I have one case left. It's the only reason I'm still sitting here and a warrant wasn't issued.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be here at the time you're told to be here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Your attorney, we did just discover that you do have a valid driver's license, though. Your attorney is stating that you do have your CPL, and so he will speak with, okay. I see
I'm
what
sorry,
we're
I got
keeping you
twin
busy. It's
boys.
okay. All right, very
No, I'm
good.
sorry.
So Ms. Horn, I don't know if you need to speak with Attorney Taylor again about Mr. Thorns, but he's in room 2. Waiting to speak to you. Oh, do you not have co-host? Okay. Gotcha.
I was just, yep.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I'll go. Let's see.
All right. And then Attorney Walling is coming out. Good morning, Attorney Walling.
Is Ms. Horn happen to be around?
Yep, she'll be right back with us. Is this going to be a motion on your part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
And I think that's wrapping us up.
That will be your last one.
Okay.
So she's dealing with Attorney Taylor on one matter right now. Oh, she must not be able to. All right, let me bring her back. I'm sorry, Attorney Horn, main session, please. Attorney Horn, main session, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so Mr. Thorns, the problem is your attorney has multiple cases going on in different jurisdictions right now. And so now we're stuck in another waiting period while he handles a case in another place. He was available to you and now he's gotten busy. So it's really important that you try to log in when we set it. I'm going to go in and try to get everybody. Give me just a moment. All right, Attorney Taylor, did you speak with Ms. Horn on the on the Thorns matter?
I didn't know, Your Honor. She was not in there.
Okay, one moment.
I'm in there. I'm here. I was in there. My
Okay.
camera went out and so did my sound. And then we were
Okay.
researching something here.
Okay, yeah, you guys were missing each other. I know Attorney Walling has a motion to make on the Tolliver ticket, and so I'd like to do that, and then I'll send you guys in to figure out Thorns. That'll be our last one. Madam Clerk, would you please call, do you have a copy of the Tolliver ticket, Madam Clerk? Ms. Attorney Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Timothy Tolliver matter?
Okay, for Timothy Titus Tolliver, SP 1916685, count 1, disorderly conduct.
Thank you. All right, appearances, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank you. Attorney Walling.
Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Timothy Tolliver. State your name there, Mr. Tolliver.
You have to unmute first, Mr. Tolliver. There you go.
Timothy Tolliver.
Thank you. All right,
Now-
Attorney Walling, I understand you have a motion.
Yes, Your Honor. And you have a copy of the ticket, Your Honor?
I do. I've reviewed the ticket.
The ticket refers to a date and time, also gives a place at Woodward Avenue at the Texas D Brazil restaurant, and it comes up with a conclusion of disorderly conduct. In the comments, it references a police report number. Disorderly conduct occurred on such and such a day. Now, here we are. I'm assuming it's some sort of pre-trial, and there is insufficient information to put the defendant, or for our purposes, this lawyer, on notice to exactly what he was charged with. Although I agree that the disorderly conduct is the great catch-all, there are certain things that have to be presented as to what exactly the disorderly conduct was. Is it merely somebody's being loud? There are certainly lots of circumstances where people can be loud and it's perfectly acceptable, ball games, etc. Whereas a game of dice or a house of prostitution, none of that is indicated. So what it does, and when we really look at these tickets, it's what is fundamentally fair to the defendant at this time. Now, we've gone a couple of, and again, I'm assuming he's been arraigned and we're now at a pre-trial. I didn't see where we were on the docket, what we called this. It is not the trial date, but as long as we have a house counsel system and don't at day one appoint somebody on each and every case, we have to have certain.
Your Honor, I would object to this line of as far as procedurally. I think we. Yep.
I understand your point, Attorney
yeah.
Walling, that the ticket lacks sufficient detail to describe the conduct, which would cause Mr. Tolliver to be unable to defend against it at this time or evaluate his options as to whether or not to accept a plea, and the attorney to be able to advise him as to that issue. All right, Attorney Horn.
Yes, Your Honor. The ticket is sufficient on its face. Disorderly conduct by Ordinance 3151 defines it. It shall be unlawful for any person to make or assist in making any noise, disturbance, or improper diversion or any riot which the peace and good order of the neighborhood is disturbed. It definitely describes that what he did or the behavior that he did at Texas de Brazil disturbed the peace and good order of that restaurant. We are not considering whether these were or speculating as to other things that could happen. But the officer did write that he was disturbing the peace and good order of the neighborhood at Texas de Brazil.
All right, thank you. I'm reviewing a copy of the ticket. It is listed as the date is there, the location is there. The date is, as I said, date and location are there. There is a charge of disorderly conduct. Disorderly conduct has a meaning within the statute, but it's fairly broad, or within the ordinance. If then again, we have this issue like we did yesterday of reference to a report number instead of a description of the behavior. And, you know, what the position that that places a citizen in is having to go pull a police report to understand what's been charged. And so what behavior they're charged with so that they can determine, and the attorney can help them determine whether or not this is something where they should take a plea. My hesitancy comes because I don't know if you'll recall, Attorney Horn, but we had an officer who came in several months ago with a similar charge, and his complaint was that the defendant had used curse words around women and children, which is a law that is no longer on the books and no longer constitutes disorderly conduct. So there is a need for a specific description of the behavior here, not just a report number. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss at this time for that reason. I do find the ticket to be insufficient on its face. Mr. Tolliver, have a good day. Your ticket is dismissed.
Thank you so much. Have a great
All right,
day.
have a good day.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
Your Honor.
All right, let's go to
Judge.
attorney. Then we got Mr. Thorns with Attorney Taylor. And you guys need to quickly go into room 2. This is our last case for the day. Let me know what you're going to do, please. All right. And then Attorney Walling, we just need to get your email, please, to Madam Clerk.
Yep. Thank you. I'll do that right now. Thank
right.
you all. See you soon, I hope.
All right. Thank you for your work today. I appreciate it. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thorns, I'm going to stick you in a breakout room for just a second so that your attorney can come and talk to you after he speaks to the prosecutor. You're going to room 3, hit join.
Yes, Your Honor. Hello.
Okay, I got your message, Madam Clerk. Good to know. Are we bringing Marquise Turner out?
I would hope so.
Let's see. Let me move him.
I don't think the judge is on the bench right now today.
Oh, I don't think so either. But I just saw him still in the room. I figured I'd move him out.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so I was just saying, I don't really think that one matters.
I agree. I'll agree. I'll just make a note on the 7th.
Okay.
Thank you. I didn't realize that. They made it. They don't know that they made it seem like I'm thinking it's just the one. Yep. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Me too. That's why I was like, okay, yeah, let's get this done. And then looked it up to, I looked under the name to get the case number, and I'm like,
You like, wait a minute.
I don't think that one is gonna make that big of a difference.
So let me see.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's get make sure defendant is out here with us. There we go. All right, Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to call the matter.
Okay, for Marquise Troy Thorns, SP 1905515, counts 1, 2, and 3. Driver's license never acquired, defective or missing equipment, civil, and failed to have CPL license in possession, civil.
And I'm sorry, I heard the
I can't hear you.
yeah, I can hear, but you're charged with driver's license never acquired, not having your CPL in your possession, and then what was the other one, please, Madam Clerk?
Defective or missing.
Yeah. And see, Phil is not gonna do it. He's a one.
Defective brake lights?
It just says defective or missing equipment. It doesn't have a detail.
All right, thank you. All right, Attorney Horn, I just muted you. Your appearance, please.
Okay. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Thorne, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. We've got 3 charges here. What are we doing today?
Everything's going to be dismissed, Your Honor, except the F4 on the gun.
All right.
Everything else is going to be dismissed.
So, Mr. Thorns, that means you'd be pleading guilty under 28.425F4 as to your firearm. That's $100 fine. Doesn't have all those same effects on your CPL that you would have had. It is a reduction. The other things are being dismissed. Does that all sound right to you?
Yes, ma'am. So with the F4, what does that consist on with the CP? Do I lose the CPL?
No, nope, doesn't do any of that. You just pay your $100 fine. That's it.
Okay,
And
thank
it's a
you so
civil
much.
infraction. It's a civil infraction. It's not a misdemeanor charge.
Right. Okay.
All
I
right.
appreciate y'all.
Okay. All right. And did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty, admit this today?
No, ma'am.
All right. It's not a full guilty plea, as as Attorney Horn said. It's just a civil infraction. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, everything is true.
All right. Madam Clerk, date and location, please.
April 27, 2026, East 7 Mile and Eureka.
Mr. Thorns, you are admitting that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you had your firearm on you concealed without having your CPL in your possession?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Fine is $100, 60 days to get the fine paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay, if you get on a payment plan, though, if you have old tickets in default, they're going to roll those in. So this is $100, 60 days. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Have a good summer too.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, can we meet real quick in a breakout room?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to room. I'll just go to room 2.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Let's see what Attorney Taylor.
Okay.
Attorney Taylor, did you need us again?
Okay, everything good?
Yes,
Okay,
everything
thank
is
you.
care
All right.
of.
Yeah, the sound cut off on the end though. We good then. Okay, thank
Oh,
you. Have a
yep,
good day,
yep.
everybody.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
good. You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. You guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.
Okay, you too.
All right.
Madam Court Reporter, we're still live. I'm gonna mute the court.
Okay.
And I have to step out.
All right.
Okay.